This is an update to my rough country leveling kit, and I have a 2013 Yukon XL. For anyone that wants to know, you do need to cut the bolts if you have four-wheel drive. So here's my four-wheel drive shaft, and you can see that it's cut. It is cut really close to the top of the nut, and I did use extra firm thread locker on the nut, and it's a locking nut, but you will have to cut it. I left as much clearance between this and the drive shaft as I could, and the reason I'm updating it is because I've had this on now for well over a year, probably a year and a half, and I did not do the requisite instructions, so be forewarned. Just want to let you know that I just took the old strut mount off and then put the leveling kit block in. Just used a flat iron, I believe. So I'm not recommending you do this, but it was really pretty easy. And yes, for some reason the passenger side was more difficult. I have no idea why, but I didn't have alignment done or anything, and no issues whatsoever. But I will tell you this, that I did have to cut this bolt for the drive shaft for the four-wheel drive. This did need to be cut, and I probably have, I don't know, 3/8 of an inch clearance, and I'm going to show you the bolt that I bought as a backup in case this one didn't work. This is the bolt for the rough country leveling kit. You just get these at a big box store, and you can see the size is the one prescribed in the instructions. The reason you want to get this, if you cut yours too short, you're going to be hurting. I think I cut my first one too short and went and got another one. So I just want as much clearance between the top of the nut and the four-wheel drive shaft. So I think I messed up my first try at it, and then I got one. It's a couple bucks for one or something. I don't even know if it's that much, but probably with tax. 1.5 millimeter by 85 millimeter. It's an M10 bolt.